Big. It's like a car commercial. Everyone's slowing down too.
I'm cool. Look at that car, that's awesome.
Dear Niagara Parks, your sidewalks are too short. Oh, here goes a really big Wego. It'll get in the puddle.
Oh, yeah.
And the Wego is surfing.
It is too. Well, this is flooded. Look at the sidewalk.
Look at that wave. George could surf on it.
You can. Oh my god.
He's about to bottom out or soak his car.
Everybody's getting a car wash, a free one too.
Drive.
He does. Oh my god.
There's a truck. That's right.
Oh yeah.